When you visit PT's website and you look at all the clients that we've served, it's easy to imagine that we only work with companies that make products that span all the types of users, that we only work very broadly. But that's not at all the case. First, all of our clients sell not only to broad bases, but to individual verticals. And some of our clients and some of the companies we've done work for privately work in specific verticals entirely. The good news is that PT has worked across a ton of different verticals in many different aspects of our business. And so we can bring the language and the relevant concerns of that space. So a reasonable question is, how do you tell the story that is going to resonate with those buyers? And the answer is by talking their language. Everything we do is in the context of audiences, use cases, budgets. In a particular vertical, we know the audience, the people in that vertical, we know the use cases, the ones that are most applicable to them. And so we can take a generalized benchmark like overall system performance and talk about what this is likely to mean to people in a particular vertical. That allows us to take collateral and create everything from broad audience to particular verticals. And one of the interesting extras that PT brings to bear here is that one of our many services is an e-learning and sales enablement development side. And in that group, we have worked with and supported clients across more than 14 different verticals, helping build their training. In the course of doing that, we've amassed a great deal of knowledge about those verticals that we can then bring to bear on this technical work. So the different parts of PT come together to provide that expertise to help with your products.